So I've had this radio installed for about 3 weeks now. I want to give you the initial impression of it. Overall, I think it is pretty good. I wouldn't say just the greatest of all time, but I do like it. I replaced this in a 2005 Toyota Tundra, and I had to use a couple other parts that I bought for this particular vehicle. I bought the dash kit that I had to use, this RP 4.2-TY11. Again, you need to check whatever dash kit you need for your vehicle. And then if you got this, then I bought this to retain the steering wheel controls. But let's focus on the radio. One of the things I liked with it, was a wireless connectivity, both to Apple and Android. So I have an Android to be able to connect it to the Android Auto. And I also like that it came with a backup camera. So I had a friend that's pretty technical and hooked it up, and you basically take your rear tail light off and connect a wire to the backup camera, so that when, I'll just demonstrate, when I put it in reverse, it's gonna automatically shift over, and there's my backup camera, it kicks on. So I love that. But you know, you've got the dial here. It is a touchscreen, but you got a dial, you got your home button here. One thing I've noticed is, like, sometimes I get in the truck and it'll automatically connect to the Android Auto real quick. Other times it may take a few minutes. I mean, you can connect it. If I hit phone link and then click Android Auto, it'll pick up there. But, and got radio here, got my clock. Installation was not a big deal. I think it looks good here. The touchscreen works great. Overall, I think it's a good radio. I wouldn't say just world class, but I have been happy with it, and certainly better than the radio that I took out. And I love the wireless connectivity to my phone. I also love that it comes with the backup camera. It kicks on as soon as I put it in reverse. Hope this video has been helpful for you.